Steve here, ShenRC, and I'm here with the Ripsaw tank again. I'm going to try a 3S Lipo in here because I'm going to eventually put hobby grade electronics like I did in my orange one up there. So I conjured up one of these connectors here. I just made it, and I got the battery charging here. This is a 1000 milliamp 3S Lipo. I'm going to try in it. If it blows up, we'll see. Only thing I have different than stock in this one here is a cooling fan. You've seen in my other modification video. I just added a cooling fan. But I don't think it's going to handle a 3S. We'll see how long it goes. We'll see how it runs. Like I said, I'm just going to put a normal electronics in here anyhow. So it doesn't matter. I'm just going to run it and see how it goes. Alright guys, I'm going to hook this up. I got my connector here. We'll see if this even works. Radio's on. Let's plug her in. There she goes. Well, let's go outside and run this sucker. See how she holds up. Oh, power shut down. When I floored it, it shut down. Yep, it's shutting down. I guess you can't do it on 3S, guys. It have an auto shutdown when it gets too much voltage. It just shuts off. It must have a protection in it. See that? The steering works. But as soon as I give it gas, see it shut down. Oh, there it goes. Holy crap. Now it's working. It keeps shutting down. Now it's shut down again. Yeah, I guess you can't run 3S in this thing out of the box. It has a protection unit in it, guys. Let me power off. Turn it back on. It's bound again. Yep, it got a protection unit. That's all it goes. And then it unbinds, it shuts down. So that's actually good to know it has a protection unit, so I guess you could run 2S in there and it'll shut down if it gets too much. Power it off one more time, see what happens. Steer's fine. Just when you go forward, it just shuts down. So that looks like it. You can't run 3S in this beauty. Oh well, I tried. It just shuts down. Alright guys, I tried this. Didn't work. It was a failure. You can't run 3S, so don't bother with your tanks. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys. You have to switch electronics to run 3S. Alright guys, I'm back in the house. And this still has the 3S. I want to show you what happens when you turn. It works fine. It's when you floor it or just give it gas for the big 380 motor. See, it shuts down and blinks. That must be a protection. So I want to make sure the tank's still working, so I'm going to hook this Lipo in here and take it outside. Alright guys, now I have the 2S Lipo in here. Let's see if that's still working, if the tank's actually working still after using the 3S. It may have broke. Let's give it a go. Steering's working. Looks like it's working. I'll tell you one thing on the 3S, the little bit that it went, I could tell it was a lot faster. So if you use like a regular radio with hobby grade ESCs, this thing should go pretty quick. Now I'm just gonna run it a little bit. Oh, it's grippy on this tar. Alright guys, looks like it's working. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to share this info with you so you know you can't use a 3S LiPo in this thing stock. See you later guys, Shen RC.